Hey there guys! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest and most intriguing breakthroughs in health and science. Today, we've got a topic that might just change the way we view a certain little blue pill, Viagra. You heard it right. Recent studies are suggesting that this popular medication might have an unexpected and groundbreaking side effect, a potential 60% reduction in the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Now, before you raise an eyebrow or two, let's break down the science behind this fascinating discovery. Buckle up, because we're about to explore the unexpected connection between Viagra and brain health. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our mind-blowing content. Let's get started right after this message about our affiliate partners.
Are you ready to discover incredible products and services that can transform your life? Look no further. Welcome to our affiliate network, where we bring you the best of the best. We've partnered with some of the most innovative and trusted brands to bring you exclusive deals and discounts. In the video description, you'll find direct links to our favorite products and services. When you use these links, you not only get incredible savings but also support our channel, and never fear. It won't cost you an extra cent, so, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of our affiliates and start discovering the life-enhancing products and services you've been dreaming of. Disclaimer: this video's and description's links may contain affiliate links. That means I might get paid a commission, at no additional cost to you, if you click on one of the links and buy something. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps us to continue making quality medical videos for you. Thanks for your support.
Viagra, Sildenafil, the medication most frequently prescribed to treat erectile dysfunction, has been shown by researchers at Mount Sinai Medical Center in New York to block an enzyme present in the brains of patients with the condition. The study compared half of the participants who had been prescribed sildenafil with half who had not in a sample of approximately 27,000 adults over 65. Results indicated that Viagra inhibits the PDE5 protein. PDE5 is significantly increased in the area of the brain responsible for memory and Alzheimer's sufferers. According to Xingyue Huo, the study's author, we found sildenafil was significantly associated with a 60% lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, the tiny blue pill raises blood flow, which is thought to enhance brain function and possibly even treat dementia. The Alzheimer's Association estimates that 6.7 million Americans 65 years of age and older will have Alzheimer's disease in 2023. It is projected that 12.7 million persons aged 65 and above would have received an Alzheimer's diagnosis by 2050. Viagra can help men prevent heart disease by up to 39%, according to a January research. It can also help lessen the risk of dying young. Patients taking Viagra had a reduced risk of getting unstable angina, a condition where plaque in the coronary artery prevents blood and oxygen from reaching the heart, by 22% and heart failure by 17%, respectively. On average, men who used those medicines also lived longer. Over the course of the trial, there was a 25% decrease in their risk of dying young. And that, my friends, wraps up our deep dive into the surprising connection between Viagra and a potential 60% reduction in the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Who would have thought that a little blue pill could have such profound implications for brain health? Before you go, make sure to drop a comment below with your thoughts on today's video. Do you find this research as fascinating as we do? And hey, if you haven't already, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and hit that subscribe button for more mind-expanding content. We love bringing you the latest and most intriguing insights from the world of science and health. As always, stay curious, stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in.